up, you crazy? Today we're back with another video. Okay, good. Bro, I missed y'all. So today I'm going to be doing my edges. For that, I'll be using Girl's Knot and this brush and water. And with the journey, we got my drink and candy. I'm gonna put y'all on. I gotta get some aloe vera water. This is pineapple. But they got a variety of flavors. Okay, let's get started. Bro, I went from 7 subscribers to 11. Y'all did that. And then on my latest post, not latest, it was a how to iron view video. Y'all got that to like I think 120 views. Come on now, y'all did that for me. For me. Bro. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate it. But anyway, we're gonna start off about first we're gonna put water on the edges. Get all the old gel out and all that. Or just to refresh them. If you do this, you can get a Alright. That way, if you do have a gel that's already in there, you can just go ahead and wipe that out and get ready for more gel. That being said, I do have this gel in there that I never take out from last night. How have y'all been though? Like, I ain't gonna lie to you. I really missed y'all. Oh, I hope you had a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's my singer in the back. No. That's my sister in the background if you hear her singing. Alright. Y'all. The first step was really just for me. But if you didn't have your edges out already, then just brush them down with a brush or something. You could also do this with a comb. Y'all, I got this for Christmas actually. This too. That being said, let me know if y'all want a Christmas haul on what I got. But we're just gonna start off by using it. It's okay. So I got this one. I'm gonna show you. Y'all, it's called Girl's Knot, and it's actually like not honey. Look how sticky. Oh, it ain't want to be sticky this time. Okay. Y'all, there should be more Roblox videos coming soon, but I might play Among Us though. Okay, so we just go. My process is you just slap it on there. I know it sounds like I know how it sounds, but that's just how I do it. You don't have to do this with me. This is just my process on how I do it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, whatever. Okay. So basically, it's just a comb and a brush. I guess I'll go ahead and use the brush part. Okay, so I guess you can say it's a technique. Okay, I'm gonna just show you. Oh, y'all can't see. Hang on. Oh, close up. Oh, let me stop. Okay, I'm looking at a mirror at the same time. I don't want to get copyrighted. Oh my gosh. Oh. Y'all see me? Oh my god, y'all. I started trying to learn edges, I think when they first came out, like doing them. It was so horrible. I was like, what, 6 or 7? No, 8. I was 8. Girl, y'all, I'm telling you, bro. So horrible. I will pull it. So yeah, you just like, okay, so like, I'm gonna explain it. So like, yeah, I use my middle finger. I'm not flipping off. But like, so basically the finger guides the brush. So like, the brush, and then you swoop it. Basically, it just falls behind the brush. I guess you could say cleaning up whatever else is left. But yeah, that was the first swoop. Oh. Okay. I really listen to music while I do my edges, but who about to get copyrighted? Not I. But I might because of her. That's my big sister. I know I already said it. Just clarifying. Y'all. I hope the comments turn. I think it'd be YouTube turning off the Hold up. But yeah, I think it'd be YouTube turning off the comments. I think it's because of what I be putting before I post it. But I do think on some videos I have the comments on. I'm sorry. Yeah, there should be a video on that the comments are turned on. But yeah, like y'all do not know how proud I am. I'm proud of y'all and myself. Like, how did I make it? Like, not make it, but like, I'm just happy of how much progress I have. I really think y'all ain't messing with me like that, so I kind of stopped posting. But y'all show me love, and I really appreciate that, dude. I was thinking about quitting YouTube because I wasn't really getting that much love. My brother hung on. But y'all, so my big brother, right? He was like, Kaya, when you gonna make another video, bruh? He liked the Roblox videos. I was like, which, y'all, the N-word, it's not a cuss word to me. So if you get offended by it, I am very sorry. But I'm not gonna stop saying it because I can do what I want. And it's my channel. If you don't like it, you can leave. It's just how I am. But yeah. Now basically you just do the rest with the other side. I'm thinking about like a Q&A. I'm gonna put my TikTok down below. And you can if you don't have TikTok, then you can just download it. You can delete it right after. But I'm thinking of doing a Q&A. And you can just put questions on my TikTok. Y'all might as well go ahead. Follow my TikTok. Anyways, I'm trying to get to 1K so I can go live and talk to all y'all. Alright, y'all. Not only am I doing my edges, but I will show you how to fold a bandana if you don't know already. This one kind of dirty, but it's just really out of gel. Because I used it multiple times. Oh, but do y'all like my braids though? Hold up, let me show y'all. I picked out the colors, you know what I'm saying? Got that blue going on. It's like it's an ombre. It's a dark kind of blue to a lighter blue to, it's like kind of lavender. But yeah. Oh, about to say, I don't want to use the comb side. I do be using the comb side sometimes. But you know, I just got it for Christmas, so like, yeah. But like I said on that though, Christmas haul, let me know. Let me know, because I will do it. Hint, hint, one of them. It's a ring light, better quality. Ring light, better quality. It's in the room over there. But y'all, my edges is done. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to. Oops. Alright, basically, you see, it starts off like this, right? Alright, can y'all see it? Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, so you take these two ends, or the other two ends, it don't matter. Hope you see it. These two, fold it like that. And then, you see how it's like this? Take this end, make it straight. Okay? Now, You fold it down, and that's it. Fold down, fold down, fold down, and that's all you do. When you do your edges, the bandana, the purpose of it is really to just set the edges to where it like won't stick up. Sometimes the edges be sticking up. Mine was last night because I ain't put the bandana on for a little bit. I think it works pretty cool when you let it sit overnight. I let that happen for a school night, and it was there all day. I really didn't know what to think about Gorilla Snot because I was watching someone and she said that it leaves little white marks, or you know what I'm talking about? The like little white, like, y'all get it. I hope. Okay, but yeah. Yeah. So yeah, they laid. Next video, before I get into the video, in the next one, I will show y'all the results. And yeah, I miss y'all so much. Hang on, yeah. Like I said, I ain't sponsored or nothing, but this is, bro, I really want to put y'all on something. I'm gonna see if I can get a sponsor. That would be really big. Like, I don't even know how to get a sponsor, but it's a card for teens. No, forget it. Because at this point, it really don't matter. I ain't never gonna get a sponsor. So, like, and I really like this card. And since I already put y'all on this, I'm gonna put y'all on this. The app is called Step. This is the card. I can't show y'all my information, but you can customize. Like, it's a Visa card. Y'all see it? Visa. Yeah, you can use it at any store. I just used it to buy these at a gas station. It's lit, y'all. I'm thinking of an answer. I have so many video ideas. It's not even funny. But yeah, comment down below if you want the Christmas haul though, because I really feel like showing it. Because I'm proud of the things I have, and I really do like them. I'm grateful for them. Let's eat candy with me before we go. We're gonna eat 2 pieces of candy, all right? Eat some candy with me. I got fruities. This one is, what in the world? Sour cherry. That's good. And this one is strawberry? Yeah. Take forever to open it. Okay. Strawberry. Oh yeah, before I go, I'm gonna post another Iron View video. She blew up so much. Thanks to this step card, I bought credits. And then I got the Dream Abby I wanted. Period. And she got more outfits and stuff. My sister just liked my TikTok video. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, click post notification, so you know whenever I drop another banger, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, another banger. Period. But yeah, I enjoyed y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Hold on, y'all, because I got big ears. They show out. I don't like that. Show too much. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. Count how many times I say yeah in this video. Tell me down below in the comments. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, click that post notification so you know whenever I drop another banger. Period. Alright, y'all. Bye. Have a good day. And I hope you have a good new year. And yeah, I'm posting another video today. Bye.